Good morning, BBM.
Good morning, Tita.
No, just pretend. Good afternoon, PBM.
Good morning, guys. Happy
Wednesday.
Wednesday. So we are just practicing Ate Paris's speaking session this morning. So last time na to na mag-practice kami kasi she's going to do it this afternoon, yeah? Yeah.
Sometimes we do in the morning, sometimes we do in the afternoon.
Yeah. So it's really good na ginagawa to ng school, yeah, because it really helps them. So last week, what did you do last week now? Favorite food?
Place.
Oh, place, yeah. So, and the week before that was favorite food. So parang nakaka-enhance ng speaking skills ng mga bata. So
I'm gonna tell you what I was doing. So like, I did chairperson, and then I did what's my favorite food, and then I did what's my favorite place,
and how does it move
and how does it move is right now.
today? Okay. All right. So what you learned from last night, what Mommy and Daddy taught you.
Yeah.
Can you practice and see? We'll see if you got it. Kasi last night, guys, nakita nyo, nag-practice kami, di ba? So, parang na siya, parang na-stress na siya ba? Kasi palagi niya, umaano na sa isip niya. At parang, alam na yung na-overwhelm siya. Kaya sabi ko, it's okay. We'll just wait tomorrow morning when you wake up, you feel better. At parang relax ka na. Kasi kagabi, medyo, ano siya. So, okay. Mommy will listen.
I'll just pretend that's baby.
Okay. I'll pretend that I'm your classmate.
That's my classmate, and pretend they're talking.
Okay.
Good afternoon, PBM.
Good afternoon, Paris.
Today I want to talk about how it doesn't move. This is a massage roller. You use it for massaging your body. You can use it by pushing it forwards and pulling it backwards. And you can use it any parts of your body. I do that on my dad's neck at night, and it makes him feel good. Would you wanna have a try?
So, I let her stand kasi tatayo man yan siya later kapag nag-present. And, I'm gonna go away kasi she's shy kapag nandito ako. So, I'll see. I think like she's gonna do better kung hindi ako nakatingin sa kanya. Okay. You ready? I'm ready now.
Good afternoon, PBM.
Good afternoon, Paris.
Today I'd like to talk about how it doesn't move. This is a massage roller. You can use it for massaging your body. You can use it by pushing it forwards and pulling it backwards. And you can use it on any part of your body. I use it on my dad's neck at night, and it makes him feel good. Would you want to have a go?
Perfect. Well done. You nailed it. Good job.
Yay,
Do you think
finally!
do you think you can get Daddy to listen to you?
Can you please?
And don't be shy. You do it and don't be shy. Okay?
Well done, Paris. Come here, Mama. I'll tell you a secret.
Good job. Good job. Okay.
I nailed it.
You
Okay,
nailed it.
okay,
Because
sit
it's done. We gotta eat. You're a princess. Happy?
Yeah.
Yes. Mwah. Love you. Tingnan niyo, nakadress na naman siya. Okay, hang on. Let's fix your hair quickly. Let's fix your hair quickly. Oh, Lord ko. Hindi na siya nagpapa...
Baby, happy.
Say hi sa iyo, tita.
Mama, happy.
Ah! Tingnan nyo, dress siya, tapos mahawak pa siya isang dress. Sabi ko na, you're not changing anymore. Kasi, binihisa na kita. Ayan na, pero suot ko sa'yo. Tapos gusto pa niyang magbit-bit nito. Ano, anak, that's very important paperwork. Anak. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
I love you.
Love you.
I do, Daddy.
Sana. Josh, I love you, anak.
Hi, Mom.
Josh, where are we going?
Stove.
School. Yeah, we're dropping Ati.
A stove.
At school. Eh, Josh. Josh, big girl naman kayo.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Excuse me.
I don't want. I don't.
Okay, you go.
Out.
Do you want me to help you?
Mountain.
Okay, put seatbelt on straight away, ate, please.
Right over there. Hi.
Siklo, manoon ko.
Hi, everyone.
Good girls.
It's Pinay session today. Yay!
Come on. Good girl, babagil. Tignan niyo. Nagkagubot-gubot na sa iyang dress. Alrighty. Hi, this way, because we're gonna drop Ati to her classroom. Lini! Whatever, come here, anak. Come on. Wow, have a look. Listen to this song. Hello, where's your thing, lang? Good luck with your speaking session. You're gonna do great. I know you're gonna nail it. Love you. Take it off. You know, after this, we can go home and you can play on your scooter, okay?
Okay.
Give me the dress.
No.
Hala, ayaw niya talagang... Natanaan ta. Magkalusod-lusod ka, Gid.
I do this. I do this.
You can do it.
Oh, help.
Give me your dress. Okay, I'll hold it for you. Don't worry, I'll give it back. Yeah. No, you can't wear it both.
Oh, wow. This is Ati.
Ati.
Is Ati with Tama?
Yeah, she's singing Tama.
Singing Tama?
Mm.
Ouch.
Ouch. Do you want me to help you?
No, I'll help.
Okay.
I'll help me. Oh, sorry. Oh, help.
I'll help you. Help.
Oh, help.
Okay. Oh. Careful. Careful the head. Good job. Woo!
Mitten.
See you. I can see you.
I will. I see you.
I can see you. Careful, please. Okay, slide. The big slide.
I will. I will slide.
Come on, so we can play with the scooter.
Dad, it got me, Dad, Mama.
Yes, I can see
It got
you.
me.
What did you say?
It got me.
What's a chop me?
Mom.
Careful, please.
Mom. Help me.
Come on, done.
Help.
I'm done. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, princess.
Love you.
Abu! Slide doon ka, big girl?
At mommy.
Uwi na kami from dropping Ate Paris sa school. Umuwi kami kaagad, guys. Hindi kami nag-breakfast kasi. So, I'm just making this. Strawberries and ang tawag dito? Toast with butter and strawberry jam. Yum. Sarap. And hindi ako nakapagkape. So, ngayon tayo magkakape. Yan. Nescafe creamy and frothy vanilla latte. Wala kaming nilakad ni Baby Celine after the school drop off, guys, kasi may hinihintay ako ngayong habugong mo ng ubon din. May hinihintay akong parcel today. And I have to be home kasi DHL yung delivery ba. Sobrang aga kasi nagising ni Baby Celine kanina ng umaga. Yung daddy niya pumunta ng gym I think 6. So mga ganong time nagising si Baby Celine. So normally, yung nap time ni Baby Celine that doesn't sound good. But I think today will be earlier kasi sobrang aga niya nagising kanina. Uli niya. Baby girl. Time check, guys. It's now 11 in the morning. And sobrang agang naka-nap ang ating Baby Celine. Kasi sobrang aga niyang nagising kaninang umaga. So that's why she was very suki. Kasi very sleepy na siya. Anyways, dumating na yung hinihintay ko. So, this is the reason why hindi kami umalis ni Baby Celine kaninang umaga. Kasi, hinihintay ko to. So, I bought this one for my birthday. So, today is the 8th of November and my birthday is on the 17th. So, 9 days na lang ay birthday ko na. Siguro ma-upload tong video na to late na. But, alam niyo na, pagpasadyahan nyo na ang mami niyo. Sobrang wala nang time ang mami niyo. Anyways, i-open ko to siya. Papakita ko sa inyo later on. Kasi, saan naman to siya? Pang birthday ko ba? So, share ko sa inyo mamaya. And this is footwear. And meron pa akong hinihintay na jewelry from the Philippines. Hindi pa napaship, but it's coming na daw. So yeah, super excited. Alam nyo na, kapag birthday, like, you know, ginagawang rason to get something for yourself. Speaking about jewelry though, meron akong natanggap na isang comment na sabi niya, lahat daw ng mga vloggers na Pinay na napanood niya, na nakapangasawa ng Australian, ay mga hambog daw. The reason is, hindi daw namin tinatanggal yung mga jewelry namin, yung mga alahas namin. And kinumpara pa niya kami kay Diana Zubiri, na she was an actress in the Philippines, na I think she's based in South Australia now. Hindi daw kami katulad sa kanya na very simple lang daw, hindi daw kailangan mag-lipstick, hindi daw kailangan mag-alahas, ganun. And ang masasabi ko lang is, firstly, my jewelry, my rules. Charis lang, guys. Hindi, sa totoo, I think we buy jewelry because apart from an investment, they meant to be worn. We buy different styles because we think na maganda siyang tingnan sa'yo, di ba? Like from the quintas, from the bracelet, to the rings, and whatnot. And I think that they deserve to be seen by everyone. And kung wala ka naman palang planong isuot yung mga alahas mo, edi gold bar na lang sana yung binili mo, di ba? Para itago mo dyan sa baul. Hindi mo na kailangan suotin. Well, it's up to you. Kung gusto mo rin suotin yung gold bar mo, buhay mo yun, wala nang pakialamanan, di ba? So yung mga nakikita yung mga alahas na suot ko ngayon, these are my daily jewelry from the studs, quintas, bango, and rings. And yes, hindi ko sila hinuhubad. And the reason being is I don't have time and patience to take them on and off every single day. That's why fine jewelry yung binili mo, di ba? So I bought 18 karat gold kasi I can wear them every day of the year without taking them on and off and without worrying na baka mag-tarnish siya katulad ng mga gold-plated. I wear them in the shower, pag naguhugas ng pinggan, yes, naglalaba hand wash, nag-hand wash din ako, and I slept with them, yes, hindi ko hinuhubad. Well, actually, don't get me wrong, hinuhubad ko siya minsan, ito siya, nahuhubad ko kasi meron naman akong ibang mga alahas dyan na parang ina-alternate ko ba. I don't really need to take them off. Diba? Minsan hindi ko na naiisip na suot ko pala sila. Like, they're a part of me now na hindi ko na napapansin na may suot pala ako. Parang naging, naging normal na siya sa akin. And also, especially this bangle, guys. I'll tell you a story about this bangle. I've had this one since, I can't remember the year now, but it's, 6 years ago. So, ano ba yun? Let's do the math. 2017? Something, yeah, around that year. So, 6 years ago, binili ko to siya. Never, ever ko siyang tinanggal sa wrist ko. And the reason being is, they're meant to be worn. And this bangle, this particular one, meron siyang dalawang screw. So, kapag you take it on and off every single day, like, mabubuang ka, guys. Like, kailangan mo ng screw para, tanggalin siya, tapos ibalik na naman siya. My God, I don't have the luxury of time to do that. If you are going to, like, i-google nyo, guys, kung the story behind the love bangle ng Cartier, ay malalaman nyo. I'll just leave you with that one, so you can do your own research. But yes, these are my daily jewelry. And meron din akong mga alahas na, alam niyo yung pang-okasyon. Katulad nito. So, ito siya. Obviously, hindi ko to siya dinidaily. Kasi, tingnan nyo, pang lang talaga ito siya, pang dress up na mga aurahan. So, hindi to siya pang araw-araw. But this one, it's just dainty, very cute lang siya. And also, these are like diamonds. So, they are, diamonds are like the strongest, like, gemstone. So, you don't have to worry about breaking or anything. Yeah, ito siya, minsan lang pag may mga okasyon. And, another one is this. So, I've got like this diamond Chinese bracelet. So, hindi nyo siya makikitang sinusuot ko every time kasi I feel like more dressy siya. Unlike this, bangle, very, plain lang siya. And, hindi siya bonggang-bonggang tingnan. So, see? Ito siya pang may mga okasyon lang. So, depende din naman sa'yo, guys. So, you can really do whatever you want to do kasi alahas mo naman yan. Kung gusto mo yung isuot, go ahead. Be happy. You only live once. But for me, this is just like, yeah, normal. It saddens me na may mga tao na nababother kasi hindi namin tinitake off yung alahas namin. I think like it's very, the least thing na dapat mong ipag-alala. But I understand din naman na may mga tao talaga na napapansin lang talaga nila. Siguro hindi lang sila sanay. And yeah, I just wanna clear it up na it doesn't mean na sinusuot namin palagi yung mga lahas namin is like hambog na, like we're bragging. It's not like that. But again, I'm not speaking for everyone. I'm speaking for myself. Anyways, one day I will do like a jewelry collection video. But I don't have a lot, but I love every single piece that I have. Like they all have story. Andito na kami sa baba. We're getting ready to pick up Ate Paris. But may time pa naman kami. So pinaglaro ko muna siya dito ng kanyang scooter. Alam niyo ba, she's very upset. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mata na mumugtog yan. Kasi yung favorite niya na dress, yung purple, Princess Sophia, nakita niya sa washing machine. Gusto niya suotin. Sabi ko, it's wet man, kailangan nating ihang. Ngayon pa lang siya naging okay.
Bye-bye.
Where are you going?
Papa, play, Daddy.
Oh, play. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Careful, please. Whoa.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye. Come back soon.
God bless you, Mommy.
I love you. Anak ko. She was trying to fix me before. Sabi niya may bubo daw ako. Hindi ko maintindihan sinasabi niya. Ngayon lang. Sabi niya, Dr. Lynn pala yung sabi niya. Kaya she was trying to fix my bubo. You're so good. I have a boo-boo. Can you fix my boo-boo? Please? Thank you. In my arm. Thank you. How did you go?
Very good. And I want to say what I just did.
Yeah. What did your teacher say?
Well done.
Yeah?
Clapped it. Clapped it in PDF.
Good afternoon, Paris.
Today I'm going
Hello.
to talk about how it doesn't move.
Where is it? Is it in your bag?
I'm going to quickly
Come, we'll do it in the car because someone's waiting. Come, sit belt na ate, please. Nini, how about you?
My shoe.
We'll put the shoes on later. Can you just sit on your car seat?
No, cash it.
You have to go. Andito kami sa post office, guys. May puposta na kami. Kaya lang, sobrang taas ng... Oh, careful, anak. Sobrang taas ng linya. Malate kami sa swimming natin, guys. I'll just post it tomorrow. Oh. Come on. Sige, ate is on na, ah. Come on. Swimming time for Ate Paris. It's 4:10. 4:20 mag-start yung swimming niya. Sige na, anak. You'll be late. Ang ating baby Celine ay gusto niya talaga nisuot ang kanyang minimalista na sapatos, which is red, na hindi nababagay sa kanyang pink dress, but what can you do? Gustong-gusto niya eh. Iiyak. Hayaan ko na lang. Ibang-iba yung pasyon mo, nak, ah. Tapos, pumunta kami ng post office. Nakapag-post ako. And, bumili ako nito. Kasi sobrang cute. Guys, tingnan nyo. Diba? Very colorful. Hindi mo siya mag-focus. Ay, ayan. Ilagay ko sa kanyang buhok. Yung isa. Actually, dalawa sana. Tinanggal niya. Ambot na lang yung bata. Tingnan nyo. Cute pa naman sana.
Pink.
Tinatanggal niya. Okay, Lini?
Fine.
You fine?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Me. Tingnan niyo. Oh, hinahanap na naman niyo.
It's doing.
There's our Ate Paris swimming. Well, yung isa ay nandun, oh. Laro pa more. Agad-agad pagkarating namin dito sa bahay. Guys, tingnan nyo.
I like this.
What is it lang?
I like this.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yay! Akala ko magdidi siya kasi sabi niya, Mami, come. Ito pala, ito yung iniyakan niya kanina. Oh, dry na. See, remember, Lainey girl, listen to Mama. Remember, before you were crying because you wanna wear it? But see, now, it's dry, so you can wear it now, okay?
Mommy,
Okay.
I want to watch.
That's why you have to listen to Mama.
Mommy, I want to watch.
See, you didn't have to cry before. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, you were very upset before, and Mama don't like it when you're upset. You just have to listen to Mama, okay?
Okay.
Good girl, Celine. Okay, do you want to change it to this one now?
Yeah.
Yes, please?
Yeah. Please.
Okay. So ito yung favorite just now. Okay, take that off now. Whoa, I'll close the back. You happy, Lily? Yes?
Yeah.
That's good. There you go. Sure.
Are you happy, mommy?
Yeah. Daddy is cooking tom yum soup for dinner. Smells good. Sobrang dilim dito sa kusina, guys. Nakalimutan ko pabili kay Daddy Mike kanina yung yung bulb ba dito sa kabila. Yung broken man. So, kanina si Daddy Mike ay nag-grocery. Pinick up namin siya kanina sa post. Nakalimutan mo pabili, eh. Okay lang ba? Kita pa rin yan. Daddy Mike is cooking our dinner for tonight. So, we're having... What are we having, Chef?
Tom yum noodle soup, honey soy wings, rice, and apples.
Does it come with this? The noodles?
Noodles. That's a 30% noodle. Noodles. Noodles. Tom yum noodle soup.
So happy, guys, that Daddy Mike is back in the kitchen because he's been away from the kitchen for a while.
Yes.
Haven't you? No, he's back. Yeah. But what he's back with what he's good at. I'm saying.
Noodles.
I'm making some four leaves, huh? Yung mga kids, hindi man yung kakain ng tom yum. Kita ko sa inyo.
Hindi naman, chili ako na.
Okay, chili man yan siya.
So much.
So they're gonna have something else.
Put this over there.
Chicken! This noodles. Ubo pa more.
I want some noodles.
Deal.
Can I have that?
You can have it. That's for dinner, ate. What is making it?
Okay.
What are you making?
Something for Irene. And I made a present for her because when there's Christmas, you give presents to other people. I'm just making one for Christmas this time.
Okay. Harap yarn. Is that garlic? Is it garlic? Fried onion. Oh, it smells good too. Kainan na.